Hello guys, welcome back on this particular tutorial. Now in this video I want to show you what you need to use in order to get started. Alright, so basically you must have a system. Yeah, you must have an internet connection as well. Yeah, so if you have a system and you have internet connection, I think everything is fine. Then you are good to go. So what you'll be needing, there's an app you'll be needing for this, and this app is called VS Code. I'm sure this is not the first time you're hearing of VS Code, but if this is the first time, it's an application that you use for writing codes. All right, you use it to write codes. So without wasting much time, let's proceed to the. So first thing you need to do, head up to your Play Store. I'll leave the link to download this app. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. So find it, click on it, and then download the app. So this is the link I have here on my browser. Let me show you how you're gonna do it. Let's come to this side, click on your search bar and paste it there. Once you paste it there, what happens? It loads like this for you. It loads up this interface for you. Okay, so if you are using a Mac, you go for this. If you are using Debian or Ubuntu systems, you go for this. Or if you are using Windows system, I am using Windows, so you go for this. So I'm not sure this will work with Windows, so don't just try, but if you like to explore, you can. But the interface is built for Mac systems, so I'm not sure it's going to try support this. So you need to download VS Code. If you're using Windows, come to this particular one, just click on it. The moment you click on it, what happens? It shows you this. It will start download automatically, but I don't want to download, so I want to pause it. I already have it. There's no point downloading it in my system. I already have it, so I'll be deleting all of this. It's just 94 point something megabytes. All right, so it's not something that will consume your data. It's not going to consume much of data. I believe you can hear me clearly. So after downloading, remember I said I'll drop the link in the description video so that you can click on it to do what, have it in your system. But just make sure your system is running. The requirements for running this app, make sure your system is running on 4 gig RAM and above, and make sure your system is running on 4 gig RAM and above, and there should be a processor of 2 point something and above. It's not that it will not run on a processor of 1 point something gigahertz, but sometimes it might tend to slow up your system because the processing capability of your system, the processing channel or processing pipeline of your system is not that stronger to support it while you are running the app and also doing other things on the background. So if you have a system of 2.5 gigahertz processor and 4 gig and above RAM, it's a good start. But if you don't, don't worry, go ahead, download the app, install it in your system. All right, so with that being said, you know how to install the app now. Just let me come back if I can remember where I installed that app here. VS Code, it should be in downloads. VS Code. Where do I have it? Okay, it might not be here. It might be. So whatever place it is, if you want to install it, just right click on it, okay, and install, or double click on it. It gets installed automatically. So this is my interface. I like white background. Okay, so I'm using a white background. Some other people may love to use another kind of background, depends on. But if you want to set a background, a background theme, just come to this place called settings after you have installed the app in your system. Okay, just come to this place called settings. If you come here, you click on themes. Once you click on theme, select color theme. If you select color theme, you see different colors available for you to choose the background. But me, I just love white background. So after this, I'll be letting you know about the extensions you need to install in this application. You need to install 4 vital extensions that will help you in your coding session. All right, so if you want to do that, just come up to this place right here. This place I have extensions that looks like a square box with one out. Okay, you click on it. The moment you click on it, you will be prompted to this particular search bar here, so you can clear this one, but yours will not be exactly like what I just have. Yours will appear empty. Okay, just like this. So the first extension you need to be installing, the first one is called Prettier Code Formatter. Okay, these extensions, I'll not be telling you what they are doing now. Later on you will get to understand what they do. Okay, because if I tell you now, it might be too cumbersome for you to assimilate. Okay, so that's not just what our aim is, getting this app installed on the system and probably using it. So the first app you need to install, can you see this app here called Chrome Extension Developer Tools? I'm going to write it also in the description for you. Chrome Extension Developer Tools, this is it right here, Chrome Extension Developer Tools. As at the time of doing this video, the version is 2.0.4. so I don't know if you're watching the video from the future, then yours might be something higher, way too higher than what I'm having here. So it doesn't matter, just install the extension. So the next extension you'll be looking at is what we call live preview. Okay, live preview. So you can get these extensions here, just search them. If you're going for Chrome Extension Developer 2, you just type it, Chrome Extension Developer 2. Once you type it, what happens? Make sure you're connected to the internet. It's not going to display if you're not connected to the internet, so you have to be connected to the internet. So this one right here, the first one that appears here, Chrome Extension Developer 2, is what you're going to select. So the next extension you're going to be installing is what? Live preview. Live preview. So the moment you click on it, it automatically searches and appears. Just click on it, bam, install. Okay, it will have install icon very close to it. This place I'm seeing manage settings, so yours is going to have an install icon there. You just click install and it installs. Okay, so the next extension we'll be talking about is VS Code icon. VS Code icon. Yeah, VS Code icons. Okay, it's the next extension I'm going to be talking about. So once you click, you don't even need to click on it. Once you search it at this particular spot here, you see install, then you can install it. Then lastly, the extension I'm talking about is what? Prettier Code Formatter. Prettier Code Formatter. Yeah, this is it here. Once it appears like this on your VS Code, it's going to appear with an install option, so you just click install. So those are the 4 basic apps you'll be needing. I will list it down in the description, and I'll also include the link to the app so that you can download it. And then what else again? If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe, kindly like the video for more of this content that will guide you. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video. Now we've used it today to this session to prepare the interface we will be using. In the next video we'll start something practical. Okay, do have a wonderful day. If there's something you don't understand, kindly comment leave a comment in the comment section. I'll be right there to respond to your request, and then or you watch the video again. Okay, so in the next session we'll be going straight up to all of what I have here on my screen. Do have a wonderful time.